Hi,
Hello.
hi. Let's get Bryce with the Otaku box. And puppies.
And puppies.
Puppies. Yarr.
Fat dog.
This is Mushy. And this is Finnegan. Yeah. They're too happy to be here. You're going to get out of the way.
Alright, so what we got for this
Box.
month is September.
September. Even though it's October.
I wonder what the October one's going to look like.
Ooh, I hope it's Halloweeny.
And we get it after Halloween. Ironic.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Oh no, it is Halloween themed.
Ooh, this box. Ooh, this is nice. Who are you? Start with the figure.
It's pretty big.
Nice. Halloweeny themed. Android 18! Hey, we finally got Dragon Ball Z figurine.
Huh. We had to read the box.
Yeah.
Halloween edition.
I see it in the hair. Halloween Android 18. That is nice. I hope it looks as nice. The figure looks as nice as the box.
We'll find out.
Now I gotta get an Android 17 figure. Or Krillin. I don't have Krillin.
No one has Krillin. Get it apart. The eyes look a little dark. Well, it was...
No, it's kind of like how... That's... Yeah. Definitely different eyes than the box.
They must do their own artwork, I swear.
If anything, the face looks a little derp. Her chin is like super chubby.
Yeah.
The boobs are nice.
I like focus on that.
Yeah. It's like, you just look at the boobs, don't look at the face. Yeah, they did the face weird where it's like rounded versus like how that's pointed.
Yeah.
I mean, the eyes I'm okay with, even though I wish they didn't have them like off to the side like that. I mean, it's like she's looking to the side. I'm okay with how the eyes are like triangular, because that's how Android 18's eyes are.
That's all every...
Versus the box's art style. Didn't even know who she was. But yeah, I just hate that they rounded the face that much. Let me get something to compare here.
Oh crap, I think we're at the sensor tape.
Oh yeah. It should be right over there. Under stuff. Under this blue scissors. See, here's a Goku figure I have. See his chin? It's more pointed. Her chin is just completely round. I'm okay with the eyes, because like I said, that's how the eyes should be. See, they're pointy. But I just wish the pupils weren't all off to the side like that. I mean, I get that she's like looking that way, but yeah. She's tiny too. I guess she kind of scales well with the Goku. They can go on a date together. Do. Cheat on Krillin. Cheat on Chi-Chi. There's not much in this box. I guess everything was that. Ooh! We get a fairy tale bag.
Pencil bag, what it looks like.
Pouch. Speaking of which, been watching the newest Eden Zero, the fairy tale in space. It's really good.
I'm gonna watch it now.
It is really good. It made my cousin cry just on the first couple of episodes. So yeah, it has the emotion. It's as good as fairy tale. I mean, even though the characters look very similar, I mean, hell, one of the characters is just Urza.
The flat-chested Urza.
No, she has boobs.
Oh, I thought in the opening.
No. That's someone else you're thinking of. No. It's literally just Urza. Same voice actor and everything. Her name is Elsa Scarlet. It's like Urza... I mean, Elsa Crimson, Urza Scarlet. So yeah, it's just...
The card this month is the Snake Girl from...
Oh, Mia! From Monster Masune. Kind of. Hey, you forgot to censor the Virginian.
Oh, shut up.
She has a Virginian, snake vagina.
Who is the character?
Is that a vagina there?
Who the hell is that?
She's cute, and she has you need 3 censor tapes. I like that one. Mainly because I guess I like cat girls.
Alright,
I like kitty ears. I mean, yes, I am a furry. But, yeah. The monima. Not like that, though. But the cat ears are cute. Yeah. Who is she?
It was saying the thing.
I know. Let's try to see if I can guess. I'm going to say character I don't know. Hey, no cheats yet. We got to finish looking at this. Well, that's
the one girl.
the angel from No Game, No Life. What's her name?
One real smart.
It's not too much light. I have no idea if that's showing because they shine. God, it starts with an A, I think. Something. What are you? This is a wallet. What is that? What is that?
Must be from something we don't watch.
What is this? And I don't even know if I'm holding it the right way. What is that? I'm going to find out when I look at the little pamphlet, but wallet and eyeballs. That is a weird pen. Hold on.
No.
Yes, gotta show the eyeballs. Eyeballs. That is a pen. It's metal. The eyeballs. It's weird. What is you? It's got a little button nose. Okay, let's find out what stuff is because I'm confused. Oh, it was Jabril. I don't know why I thought it started with an A.
Jabril from what?
What? No Game, No Life. The angel. That's her.
Oh, I'm thinking the cat girl.
The cat girl, right? Spell it. What is you? Kuroka? Is that the character's name? But you're not telling me where she's from.
Huh. Oh well.
Who's Kuroka? I don't know you.
Well, we'll look it up later.
Yeah. Oh, apparently this is Albedo.
Albedo, but the hair is not the right color.
No, her hair's black.
That looks blue.
It's because it's a shading thing. But why does she have a button nose? There's like a tiny little white button nose and white eyes. You should at least show me the horns because I don't know who this is. I don't know. What's the wallet from? Danmachi? Damuchi? Everyone is always so interested in the hentai emblem on the front.
Italia.
Oh. I said hentai.
Well, that's all we have for this month. Check out other videos.
This one was kind of stinky.
Yeah, except for the poster and the figure.
I'm 50-50 on the figure. I like the button. I like the card. I like fairy tale, but I don't know if I'll use this. Is there anything in you?
Plastic.
Plastic. I should use you. Yeah, you're right. It is nice little.
Let's get all the animals away.
I don't go to school, so I can't use you for that, but I do have a lot of shit, but still.
Alright, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!
And happy Halloween me.
Happy Halloween
Oh, poster fell.
and my birthday.